Hey, what's up guys? It's Kale Brock here. I'm a surfer and a filmmaker. I'm also an exercise coach, and today I want to run through a really simple surf focus workout with only a couple of different movements, and you only need a tiny little bit of gear. Okay, let's first cover those movements, understand them, and then run through the workout together. There's a couple of different items that you could use during this workout. One of them is a kettlebell. I'm using a 12 kilo kettlebell. And the other is a dumbbell, or you could use two of them to achieve varying degrees of intensity with the movement. So I'll leave that up to you guys as to how much you want to lift or carry during the movements. And the first one is a single arm row. So this one here just involves resting on a table or a bench or something you can get access to in order to flatten the back like that. Notice the straight line in the back. And we're going to isolate the arm movement here, which is a really strong but controlled pull upwards to the point where we want to actually peak at the top and focus on squeezing our shoulder blades together. So there's that rested sort of arm there, and bend that arm, resting arm as you need to get the back flat. And there's that strong squeeze of the shoulder blades. Now, importantly, on the 12th rep, we're going to hold the contraction at the top of the movement. So we're going to be doing 12 reps on either arm. So we'll start off with the right arm and then we'll move over to the left. The next exercise we're going to be doing is a multi-directional lunge, really good for surfing. You can hold the weights like this if they're a dumbbell, or you can hold the kettlebell like this. It's going to be easier holding it closer to your chest. Okay, so we're going to move basically in this multi-directional fashion from a center point. First, we'll come out here towards the front on each leg with a lunge. Then we'll come out here on a 45-degree angle. And then we'll go to the side on either leg. Then we'll go back behind us at 45 degrees and then back straight behind us. And in between each change of direction, we're going to be doing a squat as well. So it's really important that you sort of anchor yourself in a good, strong movement here and keep that front leg particularly really nice and strong. Notice on the 45-degree angle movement that the back foot is going to pivot off the ground. Notice it pivoting and twisting there, and that's just to keep the hips in alignment. So then we come to the squat in between. So we're going to do left leg, right leg, or vice versa. Then we do a squat, and then we change the direction in which we do the movement. So the other one to look out for is this side one, a little bit different, mind the dog. As we come out to the side, we actually almost bend or hinge at the hips a little bit and get the belly button a little bit closer to the knee. So we're sending our bum out behind us. That one often gets confusing for people. So keep that in mind. And definitely throw in a couple of practice movements now whilst you're watching. We're going to do that full circle, and we're going to do that full circle twice in each round. So while you're familiarizing yourself with those movements and warming up, I wanted to take this opportunity to chat about the Surfer's Roadmap. The Surfer's Roadmap is my online surf school. That's the go-to place for anything surf progression. So on that site, we have courses on surf skating, which is one of the best ways to improve your surfing on land. And we also have our roadmap courses. So we have our beginner surfers roadmap, something that takes surfers from that beginner stage to intermediate stage. We have our intermediate surfers roadmap, which takes surfers from intermediate to advanced. And we have our advanced surfers roadmap, which takes surfers beyond advanced, looking at those sort of high level surfing skills that really help you stand out from the crowd. So those things are going to be released over the next year, and we've also got a bunch of new surf fitness courses coming as well. So it's really an incredible resource. We've got a huge number of students now, a massive community, many of whom would be watching this video and warming up just like you right now. So I encourage you to join them by visiting thesurfersroadmap.com after you finish the workout, or just clicking the link in the description below. All right, let's jump in. All right, you guys ready? 12 on each arm. Nice and strong and strict. Hey, Jazzy. hold it. Good form, keep it together. Shrug it into the shoulders. And let go. Good job. Now, left arm now. Hold it, you got this, guys. Good. Good job. Good job. I always think it's a good idea to stay active and walk around during your recovery period. So let's leave that go for another 30 seconds or so, and we'll get back in with our single arm rows. All right, you guys ready? Take the breather, take the rest. We want to focus on form and quality of movement, not quantity. Okay, here we go. Right arm. 11, 12, and hold. Got it, and down. Good job, guys. Straight into the left arm now. Remember, this is a nice quick workout, so you don't want to have too extended of a rest time. Here we go. Left arm. Hold it and keep the form. 3, 2, and 1. Let it go. We're going to have a slightly shorter rest period after the single arm rows because we're just fatiguing our back. We're going to jump into our lunges again. Give it 10 more seconds. How'd you go the second round? Gets pretty tough. We're gonna keep going. Give it another 30 seconds rest, then we'll jump into our rows. Last one, guys, you ready? I'm gonna make this a good one. Okay, right arm, here we go. Hold it, guys, you got it. Good form, good form. 3, 2, 1. Straight in the left arm, guys. Nearly finished this one. Okay, here we go. Ready? You got this, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Still feeling good? Excellent. We're gonna jump back in 10 seconds into our lunges and squats. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go. Feeling good? She's feeling good. And that, ladies and gents, is our nice quick 3 movement workout for surfing. Really good carryover, great for posture, great to integrate into a sit heavy day, and always fun to come and play with the dog who thinks she can lift the kettlebell. If you guys enjoyed that video, make sure you hit the like button. Let me know in the comments below, what was the hardest movement for you? Do you work out with your dog as well? She's trying to be friends again. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Yep.